Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix SS06 device ban snapshot on iPhone. So basically, if you encounter this, there is probably something wrong, or this can happen if your account has been temporarily or permanently locked. So you might violate Snapchat's terms of service or community guidelines. You log into Snapchat from a new device without two-factor authentication enabled. So how are you going to fix this one? If you're using Android, then what you're going to do is you just have to simply long press Snapchat or go to app info and then go to permissions, and you have to make sure that you have enabled all permissions here. So tap permissions and then enable permission. Also, once you have enabled permission here, you can go back to storage usage and then click clear cache. Now, in iPhone case, what you're going to do here is you have to go to Safari or any web browser, and then you have to look for Snapchat support. So you have to type it right here. Or you can also
Snapchat
type
support.
help.snapchat.com, and you should see or go directly to submit a request. And then here, what you're going to do is to simply enter some details here, like your email address, and answer why can't you access your account. I think my account was compromised. Your username, your email address, your mobile number, and description. And after that, what you're going to do is click submit and wait for the customer service team to respond or help you fix this issue. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.